percent is, it's a two-term ratio, and the second number is 100. So percent is always out of 100, okay? So if I got 70 out of 100, what percent is that? 70%. Good. Percent can also be written as a decimal, so 70 out of 100 is equal to 70 divided by 100, which is 0.7. Good. Or I can write it as 0.70. Okay? Let's say that you had a test and you got 35 out of 40 on your test. And I want to know, okay, what percent did you get? Does anyone remember how to calculate this? Yep.
35 divided by 40.
Good. Excellent. We're going to take...
And then take the decimal.
Excellent. 35 divided by 40. I want everyone to do that right now. What do you get?
87.
What's 35 divided by 40? 0.875. But is that a percentage? Good. To turn this into a percent, we need to multiply by 100. Oops. But multiplying by 100 means that you're moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So this would be 87.5%, but we would round it off. So what would it be? 8. Good.
But what would be the point? I don't understand why it
Good. So the first example, I have 15 out of 20. So we could figure out the percent by doing what we did earlier, 15 divided by 20, and then multiplying it by 100. Or you can set this up as a proportion. What is percent always out of? 100, okay? So we're trying to figure out the missing number. This is what percent? So what is it out of 100? Okay, so there's a couple ways you could do this. We could cross multiply like you've been doing a lot this week. Or you can figure out 20 times something. How do I get from 20 to 100? What do you multiply by to get 100? 5. Good. So what do I have to do to the numerator? If I multiply the denominator by 5, then I have to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. What's 15 times 5? 15 times 5, 75. So 15 out of 20 is 75%. How many of you solve that by doing 15 divided by 20? What's 15 divided by 20 as a decimal? 0.75, and then you can multiply by 100, and you'll still get 75%. So 19 out of 25 would be 76%. What's 21 out of 30? Okay, 21 out of 30 is 70%, and 16 out of 24. Who got the answer to this one? You have to round it. What would you round it to? 67%. Excellent, because if you turn it into a decimal, it would be 0.66 repeating, right? 66666. We round it off to 67. You round up because it's a number that's greater than 5, so you round up. Okay?
Made with Doodlecast Pro.